I just want to take a flick. Hey, I just want to get a pic. Hey, I just want to get a... All right, I'ma chill.
Crown Baller, take one. Action. That's a wrap.
What's up, babies? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kay and this is Crown Baller. First things first, before we even get into this video, honey. First of all, I need to fix a curl because she is not curling the way that I need her to curl here in the front. There we go, because what she was given before was just not uniformness. We are one unit, one team, one band, one sound. If you guys are new here, welcome or welcome back. This is Crown Baller. We do things, all things basketball and beauty and basketball. That is my lifestyle, my fashion, mostly my hair. I am a literally world traveler and I do what I love, play professional basketball here overseas. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. I have a video up on my channel right now that was like my first impressions of the Wig Dealer Melting Spray. And so I just wanted to do another video and kind of like restyle, revamp type of a video. I did that video with a bob wig. I just wanted to try it out on another wig with a different type of lace. That lace that I used, I believe, was transparent lace, and this lace is HD lace. So I just wanted to try it out and see if it was going to give me the same results as it did the last time, and of course the same meltage. And baby did not disappoint. I'm interested to see this time how long it will last. The last time it lasted me like maybe legit like 3 days, maybe. I just want to see if it's gonna give us the same meltage into my skin, period dot. I'm not gonna keep yapping. I'm definitely gonna transform for you guys in this video. Make sure if you guys like this wig, like this hair and all of the goodness, the details for this wig will be down in the description box below. But I'm gonna stop yapping and let y'all get into this video. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. I love you babes so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, let's get into this install. A super disclaimer, I'm literally packing, so please don't talk about me in the mess that my room looks like in the middle of packing to go back to America, okay? I'm coming back to y'all. Well, if you're in America. Anywho, I just wanted to say that. Don't talk about me. We just gonna hop straight into this thing. I'm really just gonna throw this video all together, honestly. I am in the midst of packing up my life. I am officially finished with my Portuguese season here. Your girl is ready to go home like yesterday. I'm literally packing up and stuff, but I just wanted to do a little bit of maintenance. I did my brows actually, and they came out looking pretty good. But I gotta do something with this head. I've been kind of wearing a wash and go and just a twist out. I had some twisties in and I just untwisted them and wore them in the games. I can be free. I don't have to worry about like sweating in practice so much and my wig lifting up a little bit. So I'm actually going to wash my hair, deep condition it. I was gonna do like a cutting my ends video, but I feel like, first of all, simmer down out there. I was gonna do just a trimming my ends and showing you guys how I trim my ends at home for type 4 hair. I'm gonna save that for another video when I get home because I just have a lot of things to do. But I am gonna put on a wig for you guys. I have my wig, she's literally over there. I'll freshly washed her. I'm about to wash my hair, blow dry it, braid her up, and then I'm going to put on a wig. I actually don't even know if I'm gonna put that wig on or if I'm gonna put on another wig. We gonna see. I did get a lot of love on my melting spray video, and I just want to show you guys how I use it on another HD wig. So that's what we gonna get into today. But that's enough yapping. I'm gonna go take a shower, brush my teeth, child, and wash my face. Praise God. And then we gonna hop into this video, and I'm just gonna show y'all how I install her. If you guys are interested, by the way, on how I have been doing my wash and goes and just like my natural hair routine as of lately, definitely check out some natural hair videos that I have posted. I will try to leave them in the cards, and if not, they'll be in the description box. But I just am so happy how far my hair has come and just the routine that I have kind of gotten my hair in. Like, we done come a long way. Okay, so I did my braids or whatever. Come on, hang time. We coming? unparted, as you guys can see. I'm gonna do the bald cap method off camera. I went ahead and used some Aussie Moist conditioner, the 3-minute miracle, as a deep conditioner. Let it sit in my hair for probably like 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. And then I used some old-fashioned Blue Magic, the Indian hemp. I've been like slowly incorporating it over like the last 5 months into like my natural hair care routine. I've just been seeing some videos and I just want to see what it's gonna do for my hair. I've been noticing that it has been moisturized, but I still have to use it a little bit longer to actually see what she's doing for me.
Okay, so we gonna hop right into this thing. I did this real ghetto bald cap. We can move past it. So I put a little bit of foundation on my lace as well as the bald cap to, of course, make baby flesh tone. And I went ahead and brushed her out because she was giving a little bit of tangleisha. So I'm kind of aligning the wig up exactly where I need it to be. And child, I had a scar up there, and when that spray hit it, your girl was on a struggle. Okay, so I don't know why I keep doing this. I did this exact same thing in the other video too, where I sprayed something wet on my bald cap after I had already laid it down. I don't know what it is that I'm drinking on, but I need to actually stop. It must be in the water. It must be in the water. Anywho, so this is me trying to salvage my bald cap that once I laid, it lifted right back up. So I went ahead and did a change of method, and I've actually done this method before using Got to Be Glue Free spray and the Eben spray, where I just spray the whatever spray on the lace instead of spraying it on my skin. And actually, to be honest with you, I feel like I like it a lot better. I don't know why, but I feel like I do. And of course I do spray a little bit on my skin, but I like to spray it on the lace because it gives that extra security, if you understand what I'm saying. And you don't have to worry about your bald cap, you know what I'm saying, peeling back blue. So yeah, so I just went ahead and sprayed along the hairline of my lace, and this is just me kind of reinforcing, putting the extra down once I kind of already have it placed and in place where I want it to be. I do want to say, like, when I first installed this wig, minus the melting spray, it was actually a lot lighter. The lace was a lot lighter. It melted a lot easier. I did use actual lace glue, so I don't know if that was a difference, but this wig is not laying like how it did the first time. But you know what, it's cool because we're gonna finesse it either way. And I say that because I feel like the lace is just really dark, you know. So as you guys see me kind of combing out the hair, I didn't want that hair to be like glued and plastered down, so I'm trying to move that hair around and spray the excess, but I was combing out the hair because I don't want it to be like all crunchy. And obviously after I take off my elastic band, I will do the same thing. So here is the hair. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it. This is me attempting to use hot and cold to kind of melt that melting spray down. Also, the instructions for the melting spray are on the back of the bottle. It's literally you spray a couple layers, and it says like a certain amount of inches away, child. Honestly, I just did what I did. But if y'all want the best results, look at the directions, okay? Especially if you're a new user, look at the directions and it'll tell you exactly what you need to do to get that perfect melt. Yes, it depends on the lace sometimes, but if you know how to finesse lace using any adhesive, baby, it don't matter what lace you use, you can finesse game strong regardless. It can be HD, transparent, medium brown lace, it does not matter, you can finesse it. Okay, so right now I'm trying to like prep my hair for what I'm going to do with it. I went ahead and put it in the middle part, and I'm kind of just pressing down that front. I like the voluminous look. Like, I see a lot of install videos where y'all be pressing out the life out of the top of your head, and yes, we love a good flat look, I agree, but your girl loves and thrives on volume. Okay, I need volume, so I gave it a little bit of volume in the front. What I'm gonna do now is give it some type of beach curl. So I'm using my flat iron, they're a little bit more rounded, and I'm curling the hair back away from my face. I did all of the curls like this, and I'm leaving out the last like bottom piece of the curl, if that makes sense. And that's going to give like the beach wavy, like effortless curl wave effect once you brush them out and like play with them with your fingers and detangling all that. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys kind of just watch this part and you'll see. I don't really kind of go into detail, or like it's not a very long portion of me curling my hair. If only y'all knew how far I have come with these curls, okay? Using a curling iron, a flat iron, Jesus, some flexi rods, okay? I have come a long way. Your girl has come a long way. So I am literally combing out the curls. Like, I can't walk around looking like Goldilocks with the perfect spiral curls, as much as I was impressed, as you guys seen in the video. So I just am combing them out, and then this is the part that is going to give you that beach wavy look, and that's literally just straightening the ends of the hair. Now, I should have went in, actually, while I'm editing this video, I see now I should have went in and like cut along the hair, like the ends of the hair, to make it very even and flush, instead of it being like kind of jagged, because I have some pieces that are longer and some pieces that are shorter. But anywho, let's get back into the meltage. So you guys see that I took off the scarf, and you guys can see that it's laying pretty flat, okay? It's laying, you know what I'm saying, we are getting some type of meltage, right? But it's more so like that hair is being laid down more than the lace. So I need to separate all that, okay? So I went ahead and separated it, and y'all know this is not the channel for baby hair. So if you're here for a baby hair tutorial, you have come to the wrong place. I'm going to continue to say that into 2026, okay? So I went ahead and did my baby hairs off camera and put that elastic band back on, and then I am going in with some powder from my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm of course making that lace be known. Okay, so here is the finished little look, and I'm gonna come on back and talk to y'all for a second.
Okay, babe, so here is the very finished look. I hope that y'all are feeling the HDness from this lace and the meltage that we got from the melting spray. I used nothing in this install except the melting spray as an adhesive. This is obviously a glueless install. I just put these like little effortless beach wavy curls into it with the straight ends. I actually love this look. Tatiana Westcoat does such a good job at doing these beach waves, and I just wanted to mimic just a portion of what she does. These are probably a little too curly, honestly, for what she normally does, but I tried to mimic it as best I could. I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you guys like this super transformation, because your girl was crusty and dusty at the beginning. And the details for this wig will be down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check this wig out. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns. Smash that red subscribe button already. I don't know if you've come this long without hitting that button. Like, you should already be here on the team at the game. But I love you guys so very much. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Give me a kiss. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Blue skies. Oh, you can't see it. I see that pimple in the middle of my. I just want to take a flick. Hey, I just want to get a pic. Hey, I just want to get a. All right, I'm gonna chill.